I'm going to show you how to build an activity using an activity builder. In this example, it'll be a sorting activity of nouns and verbs. So I've put a couple images on my page, which is the heart and the star, and I've got a bunch of text words here. But remember, everything's an object, so it works with anything that you can put on your Smart Notebook page. So I'm actually going to have my heart and my star be my activity zones. So first, I'm going to go to the Activity tab, which looks like a puzzle piece, and it's under Activity Builder. The first step tells me to select my object to make an object an activity. Let's start with the heart, which is going to accept nouns. So I selected it and I press Edit. Now, the first step is to drag the objects that are accepted, or the nouns, into the heart. So I've got boy, dog, house. To reject the rest of the objects, I can drag them over one at a time or press Add All Remaining. It's nice to see that it shows me what will be accepted and what will be rejected in this activity. Next, I'm going to go to Settings. So what do I want to happen when an object is accepted? I have a few options: fade out, fly out, snap to center, and spin. Let's choose spin. And when it's rejected, it'll bounce back. Now that I'm done, I press done. And I see that a word like jump will bounce out, but a word like boy will spin. So I need to do the same thing to the star. So I'll select the star, I press Edit, drag all the verbs: jump, sleep, run. Add everything else, go to my settings, and decide what to do. This time I'll have it snap to the center. When I press done, words like boy will bounce out and jump will snap to the center, telling me it's a verb. Really easy to create an activity builder, and you can go a lot of ways with this.
Sign up for a basic account at opd.tech.com for more great smart skills videos.